You can see rare British India postage stamps, very old series, rare British India postal stamps. I don't think so. These are all easily available now. Okay, all British India stamps. I've got huge collections of Indian stamps, right from 1960 onwards till date. I got a huge collections of Indian stamps. Okay, but I am only taking out some of the rare old stamps and then trying to exhibit in this video. Okay, now look at these stamps. This is also 1 rupee British India period. Most of them looks like repetitive, but still I am preserving it. Very repetitive, still I am preserving it in the same condition. I have not even removed some of the stamps from the postal cover. It is stuck like that only. If I try to remove, it will get damaged like this. That is why I have not removed any stamps from the cover, because those days the gum behind the stamps were very strong. Okay. It never used to come out. So preserving like that only is better than to take it out from the cover. Okay, you can see many more stamps here. British India stamps, not even removed from the covers. Okay, still I have to make out what type of stamps are there. Okay, now look at this service 1 and Government of India 1 stamp, very old stamp. Okay, on the reverse of the album also I have some stamps, old British India series. You can see the old British India series completely. Okay, I have many more British India stamps. I have put it under the Kings and Queens collection. These are all Edward Kings, That's why I put under the Kings and Queen collection, and I have separately put in an album. Okay. Just like foreign stamps, Indian stamps also has got its own value. Very high value stamps are available. Okay, this is not even removed from the cover, so just kept like that only. Okay, and some of these are old stamps, old Indians. I think during the British period or after the British period, I'll have to see the postal marks. Okay, I'll have to see the postal marks on this. Right. Okay, now you can also see some of the old Indian stamps which I have collected. I'll just glance through it for you. Okay, just see, these are all the old Indian stamps. Nicely put in a sheet of album. Okay, these are also very rare collection. These are also very rare collections, as you see. Yeah, you can see 2 posts. I think this is the issue of Hyderabad, if I remember. Very rare stamps. Okay, see Hyderabad, Government of Hyderabad is written over there. All British period stamps. This seems to be very rare stamps also. Okay, some of them are the revenue stamps of latest this thing, and then again Ashoka Stamba, all revenue stamps which I had collected. I have put it in this album. Okay, and Indian stamp album is quite big. I'll have to cover it in a separate video. I'll show in a separate video later on. Okay, now you can see also here there are so many Indian stamps, all revenue collections, revenue stamps. Okay, all repetitive, so that's why I'll zoom it here just like this. Okay, this is one of the rare collections which I have got with me of the Indian collection, right? Okay, I have got many doubles also which I have preserved and made it as a single sheet. You can see the single sheet covers like this. Okay, full single sheet, many stamps are there. Okay, all are similar stamps, just keeping it and then segregating it later. Right, you can zoom. These are all the old British stamps again. Right. Okay, thank you.